How to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. I'm going to tell you how to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. Since YouTube removed the public dislike count, you'll need a third-party solution. If you're using an iPhone, there is no direct app to do this, but you can try using the desktop version of YouTube in your browser with certain extensions. But I am using an Android, so I can just download it from App Store. Return YouTube dislike, that's what we're looking for. I'm going to download that, wait for it to install, minimize it for now. Now, I'm going to open any YouTube video, copy the link, scroll down here, and there you have it. Return YouTube dislike. So you select that and you will see dislikes on this YouTube video.